Hello there, students. I hope you're excited to get a close look into artificial intelligence and it's working. So then let's jump right into it. AI is a field that educates computers to learn from experience, and it has been evolving for more than 70 years. In this chapter, we will learn more about the evolution, types, and domains of AI. AI broadly refers to any human like behavior displayed by a machine or a system. In its most basic form, computers are programmed to mimic human behaviors using extensive data from past examples of similar behavior. AI can also be defined as the development of computer systems that are capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence, such as decision making, object detection, solving complex problems, performing high-level computations, and so on with increased accuracy. According to John McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence, AI is the science of engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Artificial intelligence also deals with making the computer system capable of achieving tasks that humans are not capable of or feel that they are too risky to do so. Robotics is also a major field related to AI. There are various types of artificial intelligence that can be divided based on capabilities and functionalities. Based on capabilities, there are three types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Based on functionalities, we have four types of artificial intelligence. The first one is reactive machines, next is limited memory, then is theory of mind, and fourth is self-awareness. First, let's learn in detail about different types of AI based on capabilities. Starting with artificial narrow intelligence or ANI. Also known as weak AI, ANI is where a limited part of the mind is involved in doing a task. ANI is also the most common and currently available AI. Weak AI is well trained to focus on one job only. Apple Siri, Cortana, and Google Assistant are all examples of narrow AI as they operate within a limited predefined range of functions. Self-driving cars also use narrow AI as they can work perfectly for a specific function. Let's now look at artificial general intelligence or AGI. It is also referred to as strong AI or deep AI, which is the concept of a machine with general intelligence that can learn and apply its intelligence to solve any problem. AGI machines can think, understand, and act in a way that is indistinguishable from that of a human in any given situation. Though they are under research, there are some AI systems that come close under this category. First are autonomous cars, which are capable of identifying other cars, pedestrians on the road, and also they can follow all driving rules. And the other is AlphaGo, which is a program to play the Go-based game that is challenging for humans to learn. Back to types of AI based on capability. Third is artificial superintelligence, which is ASI. This is the hypothetical AI where the machines are capable of not only thinking like humans but also able to retain the learning developed by accomplishing a task. Such learned intelligence is used to solve the same problem in different scenarios. It is the type of intelligence that makes for the scope of actual AI to be developed in the future. Some expected scenarios as an outcome of strong AI could be an airplane training system that functions without the help of a trainer, an intelligent chatbot that understands customer needs and suggests solutions with its learned intelligence, or a teaching robot that learns by answering students' queries and thereby enhancing its teaching skills. Now, let's switch to AI types based on functionality and look at them in detail. Starting off with reactive machines. These machines know how to respond to a particular stimulus, that is, an input on the basis of a set of rules and the logic to apply those rules in all possible scenarios. They show the most basic type of AI and do not learn through previous problem solving. They are only capable of focusing on the present cases. Computers that play strategy games against humans are examples of reactive machines like the IBM Deep Blue, where the world chess champion Garry Kasparov was beaten by the supercomputer. The second type of functionality based on AI is limited memory. These are one step ahead of reactive machines as they have the ability to process past memories and store information as well. But the drawback is that the data in them can be stored only for a short amount of time. An example is the Waymo car, a self-driving, driverless car that is able to identify other vehicles and obstacles in front and around it and drive itself. The third type is theory of mind. It focuses on the social values of humans like beliefs, likes and dislikes, and human emotions like happiness, anger, frustration, sadness, and others. Research is ongoing in this field and very encouraging results have been achieved, but more needs to be done in this direction. One example is a humanoid, which is a robot that looks like a human. Today, they are used for various purposes and some examples are the Ocean One by Stanford Robotics Lab used for teaching ocean exploration. The Atlas by Boston Dynamics to carry out search and rescue missions. Now by Aldebaran Robotics for playing sports, soccer playing RoboCup Standard Platform League. Sophia by Hanson Robotics that appeared in talk shows and won citizenship of Saudi Arabia. And Mitra by Inventor Robotics from India, a self-autonomous robot. The fourth and the last type of AI based on functionality is self-awareness. This is believed to be the ultimate goal of AI development. This type of machine raises the question of whether a machine can become truly self-aware, conscious, and sentimental. This will be smarter than the human mind. Self-awareness in artificial intelligence is still a theory and not a reality. Let us continue and go deeper into our chapter and begin with an important topic, which is domains of AI. The term domain refers to an area of common application or practice. AI domains define broad areas in which all the AI techniques and applications work. There are three major AI domains, namely data science, computer vision, and natural language processing. Data science is the source of learning. It is a broad scientific study that focuses on making sense of data. When we talk about developing the machine with intelligence, we are actually referring to making a machine learn. Data science is a domain of AI related to data systems and processes in which the system collects numerous data, maintains data set, and learns and derives meaning out of them. The information extracted through data science can be used to make a decision. For example, a company that has petabytes of user data may use data science to develop effective ways to store, manage, and analyze the data. To analyze and learn from data, machines need their constant feed and as much bulk amount as possible. Data is one of the core domains of AI. Let's quickly look at what the source of bulk data is. We are a generation of social media that spends a considerable part of the day chatting, buying, browsing, watching and sharing videos and images, and learning and searching for information. Our presence on social media and on e-commerce website is tracked by AI applications. These are some instances, like tracking web pages and other websites visited, the sections of a web page visited, links and buttons clicked, amount of time you spend on a web page or website, products and services clicked, products bought, rejected, returned, marked favorite, even our frequent friends and chat groups and their likes or dislikes. Apps and smartphones require a lot of data from the user in order to provide the features that smartphones offer. When a user clicks on yes or allow options during the installation of an app, they are indicating their agreement to the collection of this data, which makes it clear that we are the ones granting permission to the apps to use our data. To get back to the main domains of AI, the second one is computer vision, also abbreviated as CV. Is a domain of AI that depicts the capability of a machine to get and analyze the visual information and then predict some decisions about it. It mainly deals with analyzing visual data, which are images taken by satellite, video frames and live feeds of data like face, video recording and others on the basis of algorithms and methods. There are three main components of computer vision that start with optics, which consists of a gear such as a digital camera or an infrared camera, as well as lenses that allow for the frame or continuous recording of events. Second is digital image processing. Analog to digital converters and signal processing techniques are used to prepare the image for machine learning in proper shape and format. The accuracy of machine learning is directly influenced by the effectiveness of digital picture processing. And the third component is machine learning. Once the data is ready in the required format, the same could be used for training and testing purposes. To go a bit deeper and see how computer vision works, the machine attempts to retrieve visual information, handle it, and interpret results through special software algorithms. This is human and computer vision side by side to understand it better. And now, moving on to the third and last major domain of AI, which is natural language processing or NLP. It is a branch of artificial intelligence in which computers intelligently analyze, comprehend, and infer meaning from human language, basically allowing humans to speak with computers in their own language. The goal is to stimulate the human ability to read, write, interpret, and translate text inputs. This ability will make the machine more human in terms of identifying the topic of conversation, the user's sentiment, sarcasm, and so on. Let us understand some examples of NLP. First are chatbots, which are a form of artificial intelligence that are programmed to interact with humans in such a way that they sound like humans themselves. Depending on their complexity, they can either just respond to specific keywords or they can even hold full conversations that make it tough to distinguish them from humans. Second example is autocomplete in search engines. For example, on typing "world's fastest" in Google, you may get further suggestions for "world's fastest bike." All these suggestions are providing using autocomplete that use natural language processing to guess what you want to ask. Search engines use their enormous data sets to analyze what their customers are probably typing when they enter particular words and suggest the most common possibilities. Another example is targeted advertising. This is a type of online advertising where ads are shown to the user based on their online activities. The ads are associated with a keyword or phrase and it is shown to only those users who search for the keyword similar to the keyword with which the advertisement was matched and associated. And students, This is where we reach the end of our chapter about artificial intelligence. Hope you have a better idea of the technicalities and uses of AI in our world. See you soon with more such exciting topics. Bye bye.